How to invest in S&P 500 on Lightyear app. Follow the instructions. Download and sign up on Lightyear app. Completed verification to activate your investment account. Deposit funds in your preferred currency via bank transfer or debit card directly into Lightyear wallet. Search S&P 500 or enter ETF ticker like VUSA or SXR8 in the search bar to find matching ETF options. Tap on your chosen ETF and review details like performance, fees, dividends, and fund provider info. Click Buy. Enter number of whole shares you want, fractional not allowed for ETFs, and preview order. Review estimated cost, fees, and price per share, then confirm and place your order to execute the trade. Once purchased, track your ETF holdings anytime under the Portfolio tab to monitor your investments. Hold long-term and stay invested. Lightyear doesn't auto-invest, so repeat to grow your position monthly. Thank you for watching.